I come home from work. I come home from work. I drink some water. I drink some water. I change my clothes. I change my clothes.
I wear my gym clothes. I wear my gym clothes.
I pack my gym bag. I pack my gym bag. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I take my water bottle. I take my water bottle. I leave the house. I leave the house.
I walk to the gym. I walk to the gym. To the gym.
I arrive at the gym. I arrive at the gym. I check in at the gym. I check in at the gym. I put my bag in the locker. I put my bag in the locker. I warm up my body. I warm up my body. I stretch my legs. I stretch my legs. I walk on the treadmill. I walk on the treadmill. I run on the treadmill. I run on the treadmill.
I lift the dumbbells. I lift the dumbbells.
I do squats. I do squats.
I do push-ups. I do push-ups.
I use the leg press machine. I use the leg press machine. I do a plank. I do a plank. I do sit-ups. I do sit-ups. I cool down slowly. I cool down slowly.
I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I wipe my sweat with a towel. I wipe my sweat with a towel.
I talk to my gym friend. I talk to my gym friend.
I finish my workout. I finish my workout. I leave the gym. I leave the gym. I walk back home. I walk back home. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes.
I take a shower. I take a shower.
I wash my hair. I wash my hair. I dry my hair with a towel. I dry my hair with a towel. I wear comfortable clothes. I wear comfortable clothes. I cook my dinner. I cook my dinner. I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I relax on the sofa. Relax on the sofa. I brush my teeth and go to bed. I brush my teeth and go to bed.